Are you tired of endless crunches, planks, and complicated workouts that don't seem to work? What if I told you that you only need one powerful exercise to flatten and tighten your stomach? No gimmicks, no equipment, just science-backed results. Stick around because in the next 12 minutes, I'll show you how to transform your core with just this one move, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below if you're excited to get started. You might be wondering, can one exercise really do all the work? The answer is a resounding yes. The secret lies in activating your deep core muscles, specifically the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and obliques. Most ab workouts, like crunches and sit-ups, only target the surface-level muscles, which can make your abs stronger but won't necessarily flatten your stomach. This one powerful exercise works differently. It engages your entire core from the inside out, tightening the deep abdominal wall like a natural corset. Think of your transverse abdominis as an internal waist trainer. When activated correctly, it pulls your stomach inward, making your waist appear smaller and firmer. What's even better? Unlike crunches, which can strain your neck and spine, this exercise is low impact, safe, and incredibly effective for anyone, whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast. Plus, it improves posture, enhances breathing, and even strengthens your lower back, making it a game changer for both aesthetics and functional strength. So, if you're tired of endless sit-ups that don't deliver results, stay with me. I'm about to show you how this one simple move can completely transform your core and waistline. Introducing the stomach vacuum exercise. This underrated but extremely effective move has been a secret weapon for bodybuilders, yogis, and fitness enthusiasts for decades. Why? Because it directly targets your deepest core muscles, helping you sculpt a tight, lean waistline without crunches or heavy workouts. The key is mastering core engagement and breath control, which leads to a flatter, stronger stomach over time. Here's how to do it correctly. Step 1. Stand or kneel with a straight back and take a deep breath in through your nose. Step 2. Exhale all the air out of your lungs and pull your stomach inward, as if trying to touch your belly button to your spine. Step 3. Hold this contraction for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing lightly through your nose. Focus on keeping your core engaged. Step 4. Release and repeat for 3 to 5 sets daily to maximize results. Pro tip: for best results, do this exercise on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning before eating. This helps activate your deep core muscles without bloating or discomfort. Now you might be asking, how often should I do this to see real results? Great question. The key to success isn't just doing the exercise, it's about being consistent and progressing gradually. If you're just starting out, begin with 3 sets of 15-second holds per day. This allows your core muscles to adapt without feeling overwhelmed. As you build strength, increase the duration by holding for 20 to 30 seconds per set. Eventually, aim for 5 sets of 30-second holds daily. The best part? This exercise takes less than 5 minutes a day, making it easy to fit into your routine, even on busy days. When to expect results? If done consistently, you may notice improved core strength and posture within 1 to 2 weeks. A tighter, flatter stomach often starts becoming visible in 3 to 4 weeks, especially when paired with a healthy diet. For maximum results, combine this with proper hydration, nutrition, and light cardio. So don't skip a day. A few minutes daily can lead to major transformations over time. Stomach vacuums don't just help you achieve a flat, toned stomach, they come with several hidden benefits that can improve your overall health and posture. Here are 3 extra benefits you'll absolutely love. Improves posture and reduces back pain. By strengthening your deep core muscles, stomach vacuums stabilize your spine and improve posture, reducing strain on your lower back. This is especially helpful if you sit for long hours or experience frequent back discomfort. Enhances digestion and reduces bloating. This exercise gently massages your internal organs, promoting better digestion and circulation. It can help with issues like constipation, bloating, and sluggish metabolism, making you feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. Creates a natural waist cinch. Stomach vacuums act like a built-in corset, training your abs to stay pulled in naturally. With consistent practice, you'll notice a smaller, tighter waistline, making your clothes fit better. So if you're looking for an exercise that does more than just sculpt your abs, this one is a total game changer. Want to see results faster and make the most of your efforts? Avoid these common mistakes that could slow down your progress. Holding your breath. One of the biggest mistakes is holding your breath instead of engaging your core. Stomach vacuums require controlled breathing. You should exhale deeply, pull your stomach in, and continue light nose breathing while holding the position. If you're gasping for air, you're doing it wrong. Slouching or poor posture. Your posture matters. If you slouch or hunch forward, you won't properly activate your deep core muscles. Whether you're standing, kneeling, or lying down, Always keep your spine straight and shoulders relaxed for maximum effectiveness. Expecting instant results. This isn't an overnight miracle. Stomach vacuums work gradually, strengthening your core from the inside out. Some people notice a tighter waist within a couple of weeks, but true transformation comes with consistency. Stick with it and the results will follow. Remember, perfect form plus patience equals amazing results. And that's it. One simple but powerful exercise to flatten and tighten your stomach. Now it's your turn. Start today and watch your core transform. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button for more fitness insights every week. Give this video a like and drop a comment below telling us your fitness goals. See you in the next video. Title: Subscribe now. More fitness tips every week.